peculiarity of music as language is rhythm. Notes that are the letters of music sound based on a steady rhythm. This means that the musician performing a piece should have such a flow in his mind so that he can play the notes following the specific rhythm, and that rhythm is maintained up to the end of the track. Also, other tracks are fast, medium, slow, etc. The speed of music is determined by the beats per minute, BPM. For example, this is a rate at 60 BPM. This is a rate of 110 BPM, moderate. And this is at 150 BPM, fast. Other notes have a long duration and other notes short. So we have the musical values. We start with the whole note, which is the greatest value and lasts for 4 beats. This is the half note that lasts for 2 beats. This is the quarter note that takes 1 beat, and one important thing is that the quarter note is also our unit of measurement. Our base value is the quarter note, and so we give the beats of all the other values. This is the 8th note that counts for half a beat. And this is the 16th note that counts for a quarter of a beat. There are 2 more categories of note duration. The first is the dotted note, a dot that can be on the right of every duration we've learned and adds half of the note's value. For example, half dotted note is 2 beats and the half of 2. That's 3 beats. The quarter dotted is 1 beat and the half of 1. So 1.5 beats. The triplets also exist for all the note values we've learned and are 3 equal notes that must be played at the time of 2. A quarter triplet is 3 equal notes that must be played in 2 beats. An 8th triplet is 3 equal notes that must be played in 1 beat. The symbols of these values also follow a very simple logic. The highest value, that is the whole, 4 bits, is the simplest shape, a circle. Each subdivision is reduced to half as far as the duration is concerned, and a small graphic element is added in terms of appearance. For example, half of the duration, 2 bits, and 1 line is added to the circle. In the quarter note, we have half the length of the previous one, 1 bit now, and in the graphic, the circle becomes black. Similarly, with the notes, we have also the pauses, which have to do with the time that a melody must be silenced. So, The corresponding values that exist in the notes exist also for the pauses. A final remark concerning the writing on these notes is that the notes that have a line, half note and on, to the bottom of the staff, the line is up, and from the third line of the staff, this line of the note is written down. So all the notes are written inside the staff. You will listen to some note values on the piano twice. Stop the video and try to write them down prospectively. We will have a bass rhythm of 70 BPM and you will hear the sound of a metronome. Ready? Second time. The values are the following. We'll do the same exercise as the first one, but a bit harder. We will now have eighth notes also. Ready? Second time. The values are the following. Let's try the opposite. I'll give you the values and you will try to play them with a metronome. You will see the values, have a few seconds time, listen to 4 beats on the metronome, and then follow along. Ready? Let's go a bit more complicated, the same way as in exercise 3. Ready? We will now combine the first and second chapter. We will read the notes and values simultaneously. When you see the notes on the screen, stop the video. Read the notes and understand the values. When ready, start the video again. Listen to the 4 beats of the metronome and play with me. As always, let's go a bit more complicated. You will see two staves at the same time, a G clef and an F clef. When you see the notes, stop the video. Read the notes on both clefs. Understand the values. Start the video. Listen to the 4 beats of the metronome and play along only the left hand, F clef. Repeat and play only the right hand, G clef. Finally, play with both hands. Now, you will also put your hands on the keyboard. First, your right hand. I will play 3 notes, then a quarter pause, and then you must play with me. For instance, if I play C, D, E, the time will be like this for you to follow. C, D, E, and together. C, D, E. Now we will do the same exercise for the left hand. Ready? I will play repeatedly some values for 4 beats. Find out what values I play. Ready? I will play for you a combination of values. I will play them twice. You will see three possible solutions, and you must choose the right answer. Ready?